cupcakes, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Cricut Air Explorer 2. I'm not too sure what shade or what color. Oh, it's in, I don't know what color it's in, but oh, Wild Rose edition. So this is how it looks like in the box. Sorry about the glare, but this is an early Christmas gift that Daniel got for me for Christmas. He found a deal from Joann's, so if you guys are interested in picking this up, I would say go to Joann's. Don't go to Michael's because it's gonna be like the same price as what Michael's is offering, I believe, but Michael's doesn't give you a bundle, and this one is a bundle. So I figured why not go ahead and unbox this with you guys on camera. So if you guys want to see what's in this bad boy, go ahead and keep on watching this video. So I got my scissors right here. I don't know if you guys can see, this box is really big to like carry. So I think it's just one tape, I guess. Okay, so I got pajama pants on because it's really cold here, so don't mind that. So hopefully you guys can see a little bit. I am losing light, but I'm out of breath. So Daniel got me the bundle, and I don't even know how to use a Cricut, so hopefully it's like user-friendly. But it comes with a mat, and I know it also came with some vinyls. So it comes in the vinyl like that. So we have the gold. So these are removable vinyls right here. And then these are premium permanent vinyls it comes with. It comes with permanent shimmer vinyl. So this is really pretty. I do want to make like my own zipper envelopes for my binders, and also stickers and stuff like that for myself, so these will come in handy. I also got some vinyls from the Dollar Tree to like practice because I don't want to ruin the really good quality ones. I heard the Dollar Tree ones isn't that bad, so I'm gonna go ahead and practice with that. I'll show you guys that later. And it comes with, oh, printable vinyl. Okay, so print design to dry. So I don't know what printable vinyl is. I don't even have a printer, so I might have to get one eventually. Oh, and then comes with transfer tape. If you guys know like affordable brands that's good for transfer tape, because I know the Cricut one can be kind of expensive, I believe. I know you can reuse them, but if there's like a more affordable transfer tape, let me know in the comments down below. So we got transfer tape, we got strong grip transfer tape, so I'm not too sure how strong you need that grip to be. And then I believe in here, oh, it comes with some stickers already, so it'll be fun to make my own. And I guess this is like the whole instructions in here, which I won't open on camera. Okay, so this is how it's looking like inside. Oh my god, it's so heavy, it's so heavy. Okay. And then also comes with a marker. I know you could use some like Dollar Tree stuff too. Comes with a tool to like scrape the vinyl thing out, so you could get like your prints. And then this is for, I believe, when you're transferring it on a transfer tape to your product. And then the cords are also in here. But so this is how it's wrapped. This is pretty heavy. I do need to get a desk so I could actually put this all out. But oh, it's so pretty! So this is it right here. It's pretty big, like it's as long as my arm. Then again, I'm short, so I don't have a long range, but oh my god, it's so heavy. But I really like this color. I didn't see this anywhere else, like at Target, Walmart, where else did we go? Michael's. They didn't have this color at Michael's, so I like it. Woo. Okay guys, it's been a few days later and I've been playing around with the Cricut Explore Air 2, the one you guys just seen me unbox. And I picked up some ornaments from the Dollar Tree, and this is the Dollar Tree vinyl. And I made a little Mele Kalikimaka, which is Merry Christmas in Hawaiian, ornament, which is pretty cute. So I'm excited to play around more with it. But yeah, here's my first project of this. I also have another project I've been working on, but it's a gift, so I don't want to, you know, put it online just yet. But here you go. It's so cute. I love it. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for today's unboxing of the Cricut Explorer Air 2. I'm not too sure if there's a third version of it, but this is the one I have, and the color I have is in Wildberry, I believe. So I'm going to go ahead and try to play around with it and then edit some vlogs. But here is other vinyls that I got from Dollar Tree for $1. I got a black one and a white one, mainly to just practice with because I don't want to use the Cricut one because I know those are more expensive. So why not practice with the cheap Dollar Tree ones? I heard they're pretty good too, so hopefully I can come up with some cute stuff even just for myself or like to send back home and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you guys want to hear like my thoughts about it once I start knowing how to use it, leave me in a comment down below if you guys want me to update on that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't yet already, please subscribe to my channel so you guys could be one of my cupcakes, and then thumbs up this video if you guys liked it as well. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!